Okay, whatever feels right, you can do. Okay, Dinesh wants to know something. Removing this is more easy than the full strength of this because we can watch them and frame our answer. Yes, Manik. So whatever works for you, you can use that, Manik. It is not for me to comment on how you should do stuff, but I'll tell you what worked for me, and that will work for you also. So next is we'll have to get something like 14 and 839. Yes, 839 is possible. You don't have 5 and 7. 9 minus 1 plus 6 is right. So you'll get 14. 6 minus 1 plus 9 uh, is right. 9 minus 3 plus 8 is wrong. Sorry, that is right. 9 minus 3, that is right. So, right. 1 minus 6 plus 9. Okay, that I don't think that is right. See, 1 minus 6 plus 9 is what? 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 9 is actually 4. It is not 14, guys. So that is wrong. It is 9 minus 1. Sorry, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 plus 9, that is fine. That will work. 9 minus 1 plus 6 also will work. So if 916 works, then 619 should also work. So you can try that. 839. 938. Right. So just make sure that you don't use 5 and 7. Correct. But most of you are not using it. So yes, 8 minus 3 plus 9 is also right. Because you are getting that 5, right? Right, guys. Okay. So right. So it's like I have to up the difficulty level. That is what I have to do. So you can see 9 minus 1 plus 6 plus 14 gives you this. Okay. Right. Uh, let's try this one. After this, I think it will increase the difficulty level. So let's try this one. Uh, Somebody's asking why not 943. Uh, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, right? So that is why. The 9 minus, see, 943 is not possible, guys. Because 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And we need 14, right? So that is why 916 is possible. 943 is not possible. 938 is possible. The reason why 938 is possible is it is because uh, 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 will be 14. Okay, so that is fine. So I'm just talking about the previous question. This one you can tell me. Uh, right, 643, 6 into 4. 643 is right. Okay. Because you get 24 by this, right? 584. Aha, no. 58 is 40 by 4 will give you 10 only, right? So 584 is wrong. 643 is right. 463 is right. So there's no need to discuss all those things. But Hardeep says 4, 6, 3. 4, 6, 3 is right. Okay. 4, 2, and 8, 8 by 9. No, no. 4, 2, 9 is wrong. 4, 6, 3, 4, 3, 4, 8, 4. Yes. And now, see, you've gone back to this old thing. How can you repeat the digits? You cannot repeat the digits, right? So 484 is wrong. Right. So the Josna, right? Guys, somebody has said, see, right. 8 into 2 divided by 2. What is this? We need 6, 8 guys, and you say 8 into 2 divided by 2, and it is, how can you use 2 times? Satish Babu. You cannot repeat the digits, right? But others, I think, are right. Again, Harshita, 5 into 8 by 4 is 10, not 8. 5 into 8 is 40. Okay. So, 6 into 4 by 3 is equal to 8. So, 24. Yeah, 643 is right, 463 is right. So, Manik is also right. Jnana Prashanti is right. Okay. Right, guys. Okay, so I think we'll get moving. Yes, only 2 possible, he says. Right. Right. Finally, we made it difficult for you. Okay. So let's take this. So we have 3 symbols, guys. Pay close attention and give the answer. So this is how they increase the level of difficulty. Okay. By increasing the number of operands. Here we have 3 operands, right? Multiplication, division, and addition. Okay. So let's see. Let's see how many of you give the correct answer for this. Yeah, 6215 is right. Yes. 5 to 10 by. Yes, 5. That is also right. Yes, Subhalakshmi. 5 for 20. Yeah, 5427 is also right. Great. Nice. 5217. That is right. 2510. Yeah, 2517 is right. 8421. That is also right. 16. Right. 8436. Yeah, Thanos is right. 72. No. Because 7 into 2 is 14. Sorry, right. 7213 is also right. 5427 is right, obviously. And yes, correct. Satish Babu, right. Now it is right. So Jane says 5 into 2, 10. Jane is right. Srisha is right. Vasavi, 72 by 6 is 12 plus 5. Correct. See, that is a good one. 9 to 8 is 72 by 6 is 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, guys. Okay, so seems like even this is easy for you. 4 into 2, 8 plus 9 is 17. Right. 6439 is also a possibility. Okay. So there are many answers as you can see, and because it is because you have lots of digits. Okay. So that is the reason, but still that is good. Okay. Right. So we'll continue this case. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. Right. So you can see one of the answers is 8421. Okay, like I told you, whenever you have multiplication and division together, you have to take care of the multiplication. You have to go from the left hand side. So from the left hand side, first take care of the multiplication. So it is 32 divided by 2 will give you 16 plus 1 will give you 17. Okay, this is just one of the answers. You guys have given lots of answers, so you can have that. Next. So why this plus 11? Okay, 5. What is this? 5 into 3? No, no, there are many wrong answers here. 8 into 4 is 32. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 by 7. No, 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 no. Guys, you might want to check these answers here. There are lots of wrong answers. 2 plus 5 is 7 into 6 is. I think this is previous question. Okay. Yes. So Priyanka is asking a question, as you can see here. So she says, Priyanka says, if there is a negative and a multiplication and a division, or example, look at this. Here you have a positive, then multiplication and division, right? Yes. So in this case, what you should do is just, it is the same thing. First you have positive and you have a plus sign, then a multiplication sign and the division sign. You know, right? Which one has precedence? The multiplication and division has precedence over plus. So you have to take care of the multiplication and division first, and then you have to come to plus. So you go to multiplication and division. Now in multiplication and division, what is the precedence? Now when you have both multiplication and division, the precedence is decided upon. The precedence is decided on left to right. Okay. So in this case, first operation that you should do is multiplication, not plus. Okay, because it comes only secondarily. So the first thing is multiplication, then you have to do division. Okay, then finally you have to do addition. Okay, so multiplication, division and addition, guys, that is the order of this thing. Okay, so if it is minus multiplication and division, then of course again you have to do the same thing. First do multiplication, then do division, and then do the subtraction at the last. So right, so 15 by 2, no guys, it is not 15 by 2, and it's not, you cannot say 15 by 2. 7.5 plus, no, you're not getting that. 18 for 32 by 2, 60. This is right. 9842 is right. Okay. Mohammed Hashim, and 48 by 224. Yeah, this is also right. 1862 is right. 4652. No, 4652 is wrong. 4762 is right. Okay, so right. 48 by 24. That is right. Monica, 32 by 2, 16 plus 9. That is right. Then operator precedence need to apply. Yes. Yes, correct. Correct, Priyanka. Associate, we have to check. Looks like you are a computer science student. Because only computer science students know that word associated. 36 by 2 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So Yamini Somasila. You're right. And 21 by 1 plus 4. Yamini is also right. Okay. And Veer Rajkumar 36 by 2 is 18. Yeah, you're also right. Lata Reddy 24 plus 1 right. And Shai Meghana 9 into 6 is 54 by 3 is 18 plus 7 is 25. Vanita 16 plus 9 is correct. Vanita's Thanos 30. Yeah. Huh? Thanos, it is wrong. 30 by 3 is 10, right? 10 plus 9 is 19. So how can you say it is right? Thanos is wrong. Again, 15 by 2 is wrong. Okay. Raj Lakshmi. 15 by 2 will give you 7.5. 7 into 7.5 is 14.5, right? So 42 by 2 is 21. Yashwant is right. Kritika is also right. And Yashwant is 15 by 2. Yashwant is wrong. 8 into 9, 72 by 3 is 72 by 3 is 25. Yeah, that is right. Okay. 1893 is right. 4762 42. Again, Naveen 42. 7 into 6 is 42. 21, right? Naveen is right. 48. Yeah, Vinishri is right. Shweta is right. 1862. 48. Yeah, 1862 is right. 1893 is also right. Okay, guys. Yeah. Team 6. So once again, say the precedence for this question. Yes. See, for this question, I'll just do it, guys. Okay, so that you know how to do it. So we'll take this plus uh, division and plus multiplication and division. Okay, I'm going to take this question plus multiplication and division. See, I already have done it. So plus multiplication and division. Okay. So the way in which we do this is, okay. So I'm going to take 3, 2, 1, and 5. Okay. So first thing I told you, you see right now what are the symbols that you have? Right now the symbols that you have is plus, okay, and the next symbol that you have is multiplication. The next symbol that you have is division. These are the three symbols you have. So you know the operator ranking for them, right? This ranks 4, okay, or precedence level. This ranks 3, and this ranks 3, okay, and this also ranks 3, guys. So the lower the rank, more important it is. So rank 1 is always important, right? So as you go below rank 4, rank 5, rank 6, something like that. So, or you can say the precedence level, whatever you want to call it. So the precedence is 1, you have to take care of that first. So you're taking care of B first, then O first, then D, then um, D and M. Okay, so D and M are at the same precedence level, and A and S are at the same precedence level, addition and subtraction. So here I told you there are 3 signs. Now, first thing is, it is very easy for you to choose these 2 things first and ignore the plus sign. Why? Because both have a precedence of 3 and the plus sign has a precedence of 4. So first you take care of these 2 things, okay, and you come to this plus sign. That is the message that this is telling you. Okay, first take care of this multiplication and division symbol, and then you take care of the plus sign. That is what this tells you. So So once that is done, now you come to the conclusion, first I have to complete this, so you mark it in yellow. Okay, now there is a problem. See, now you decided to do this multiplication and division symbol over plus sign, right? You choose multiplication and division symbol ahead of the plus sign. What is the reason? The reason is that the plus sign has a rank of 4, but this multiplication and division has a rank of 3. This is the reason why you chose this multiplication and division sign. But how do you decide between this multiplication and this division sign? How do you decide which one you should do first? Because you had a precedence level, you are able to differentiate between plus and the multiplication division sign. Okay, that you are able to do. But here both the precedence levels are the same. Okay, like I am telling you, both the precedent levels are the same. So what will you do? I told you, whenever the precedence levels are the same, they have this word called associativity, guys. Okay, they'll say these multiplication and division are left to right associative. Okay, by that what they mean is, if they occur together, you have to follow left to right direction. Okay, so if from left to right division symbol comes first, do the division first. From left to right, if multiplication symbol comes first, do the multiplication symbol. So here in this left to right, which one comes first? Multiplication, right? So you have to do the multiplication first. So what I'll do is, I'll do 3 plus 2 into 1 will become what? 2 divided by 5. Okay, so this will become 3 into 2 divided by 5. Okay, now we have a problem here. Okay, you cannot just have something like that. Instead of this, I'll have, how did I come at this? 3215 will never give us the answer here, guys. So let us take some other values. So we have to have 25, right? We'll have 7 into 6. Right. So we'll have something like this. Okay, so this will make some sense. Okay. Now, what happens is, I told you, you have to take care of this multiplication first, because from the left hand side, this is the first thing. So this will change into 4 plus 7 into 6 is 42, right? So this will become 42 divided by 2. Okay. Now, in place of 3 signatures, 3 symbols, now you have just 2. You have plus and division. Okay. Now what is the, now you don't have a problem, right? Because plus is obviously placed below division. Okay, so you can directly do this division first. You cannot do 4 plus 42 and then divide it by 2. Okay, because if you do that, you will get 23, right? Yes. So you should do 42 divided by 2, which is 21, and then add it with 4. Okay, so right now plus division, which should come first? Division. Okay, so here it will be 4 plus 21, which will give you what we are looking for, which is 25. So one by one, you'll have to do this. Let us say, guys, I'm just going to give you one example so that you don't have any other doubts in this. Okay, I don't want you to have doubts in this. This is very important. So instead of plus, we have negative. Instead of this, we have this. And instead of this, we have this. Okay, if this is the case, now what you should do is, now again the same thing. Okay, you see that the instead of plus you have minus here. Okay, so let's have a minus sign, and let's just make this something else. Okay, this is minus. This is multiplication, this is division. Okay. Now again, you choose multiplication and division because minus has less precedence compared to multiplication and division. Okay. You see this division and multiplication here. Yes. So you choose this. But within division and multiplication, which one should you do first? Now that is determined by this left side, moving from left side. So in the previous example, you did multiplication first. Here you should not do this first. 6 into 2 is not allowed. Okay. First you have to do 7 by 6. Okay. So just for the sake of convenience, I'm just converting it into 6 by 3, guys. Okay. So in this case, so you have to do this. So what will happen is 6 by 3 is what? 6 by 3 will give you 2. Okay. So this will turn out to be 4 minus 2 into 2. Okay. See, in place, originally we had 3 symbols. Right now, because we used one symbol, we have just 2 now. Okay. So this will become 4 minus 2 into 2. Now, right now, what is the possibility here? You have a negative sign and a multiplication sign. Okay. Obviously, multiplication sign has higher precedence than the negative sign. So we'll have to take care of the multiplication sign first. So this will become 4 minus 4, which is nothing but 0. Okay. So I hope you got this, guys. Okay. Take a screenshot of this if you want, so that you don't forget it. So here what I did was I did this multiplied by 6 first. Okay. This is the first thing I did. But here what I did was 6 by 3 was the first thing that I did. Here the first thing that I did is 7 into 6. So I'm going to mark that again. Okay. So the yellow color indicates what I did first. Okay. Here also the bottom also yellow color indicates for which preference is given. Okay. Right. We'll move on, guys. I'll just give you some 20 seconds if you want. You can take a screenshot of this so that you don't forget it. Right. So we'll get going here, guys. So this is done. So sample answer is 4 into 9 into 7 is 63 by 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay. As you can see, first I did the multiplication 9 into 7 multiplication, then division 63 by 3, which is 21. Then addition. Okay. 21 plus 4 is 25. Right. This is already done, right? Anyway, let's try this out, guys. You can also try this out. Tell me the answer for this. Hello. இன்னைக்கு நைட் இந்த இதுங்க இப்போ லிங்க் எல்லாம் வந்து இப்ப அனுப்புவீங்களா? ஓகே ஓகே. டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ல அட்வான்ஸ் டாபிக்ஸ். ஓகே 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 ஓகே. Okay. Right. So did you get the answer for this case? I think I read some message. Okay, Sai wants us to do that. Okay, Sai, first we'll need to complete this, Sai. This is not yet complete. Latest question. Manik, 9, 8. Okay, 8 by 2, 4 into 4. Yeah, correct. Great, Manik. Nice. So once you get the knack of it, you'll get it. 6 by 3, 6, 2, 2 into 8 is 16. Yeah, correct. 6. Correct. Right. Vivita, right. And 24 plus 1, 25. Yes, this case is also right. When you don't have your name, it is difficult for me to pronounce it, guys. So 16 plus 9, 5A3 is right. 6 into 3, 18 plus 7. Yes, right. Okay. 4937 is also right. Right. Oh, Kritika has given me so many answers. I cannot believe my eyes. Kritika, what happened to you? Oh God. She is right. 6 into 3 is 80. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 by 8 is okay. Okay, so I don't have time to go through all this. But still, 3, 325. Yeah, seems like everything is right. So well done, Kritika. So many. She is just one. She has given me 9 numbers, guys. 9 possibilities. Okay, you won't believe this. That is how much she's given me. 9 possibilities. Do we have to use each integer once only? Yes, Tarun Kumar seems like just now he joined the class. He's asking, yes, you can use only one at one time, guys. That is what I've been repeating from for the past 2 hours. Okay. Okay, anyway, fine. Guys, there is an announcement that I have to make here. Okay, so that is why for a little while you would have heard me speak something in Tamil with somebody. If you heard that, that was that they were trying to, they want us to, sorry, they want me to pass you guys some message. So I think you have to listen. Gautam, how is 1825 right? Osama, guys. Right. Guys, so I said there is something important that I need to tell you guys. So just listen. Okay. There is an announcement which is, see, for this is nothing to do with aptitude or gamified aptitude session. It has everything to do with pseudocode, technical. Okay. So those of you, I mean, this is not compulsory, but those of you who want who are weak in technical or who want this training. So they are going to have this training in technical pseudocode, and this is they are going to concentrate on the data structures. Okay, so seems like many have asked about data structures. So they're going to have this training, which is pseudocode technical, and they'll mainly concentrate on data structures. Okay, this is going to happen daily starting from today, 8 to 10. Okay, now this is not compulsory. If you are interested and you want your doubts to be cleared, or if you want to learn about it, you can attend it. Okay, this is not a compulsory training, but for both whoever is listening, I know that there are more than 500 people listening now, so you guys can attend this training today, starting today from 8 to 10. Okay, so what that tells me is that I have to complete it within 7:30. Okay, so that those people who are going there have to go eat something and have to do this, so I shouldn't drag my sessions. I if people know me, okay, I have this habit of dragging my sessions up until 8:39, so that cannot happen from today. So make sure that you do this, guys. I mean, this is not compulsory, so you are not compelled to do it, but if you really want to learn those things, pseudocode data structures, that is what told to me. Okay, so in pseudocode section, data structures, they are going to teach you guys. So this is not compulsory. If you want to clarify your doubts or learn about it, you can attend from today 8 to 10. Okay, right. So we move on, guys. So I think for you guys, we need to have some increased difficulty level. This is becoming very easy. See now, I think one of the girls asked me, yes, sir, daily data is used out. Okay, guys, could you please mute that Osama dude? Yeah, I muted him. Okay, I muted him, guys. Guys, who is this? He is able to. Yeah, see the links and all, guys, the webinar links, right? So those links and all, you can you'll find it in your Telegram group. Okay, so they'll share it in the Telegram groups. So those links you can find it in Telegram groups. Okay. So yeah, Josh. Now, yeah, wait, just a minute. I've been like, sir, will you give reply? Yes, wait. So don't get. So what is it that you wanted, Joshna? We have to use integer only words. What is that question that you wanted, Josna? I don't see it. I don't see your question at all. What do you want to know? What do you mean by morning, Aishwarya? Aishwarya, just make sure you use the Telegram group. Now you can talk to people in Telegram group. Okay. Joshna, just let me know what your question is. Um, um, right, guys, you can try this one. So somebody wanted to know if they have 5 dashes. So there you go. You have 5 dashes. You wanted 5, so I have 5. And we already have some answers here. Uh, 29136, I don't think it is right case, because 9 by 1 is 9, right? Into 3 is 27, 27 minus 6 is, right, correct, 23, right? So 2913, that is one possibility. And yeah, in case of non-zero remainder, we'll explain one example like minus 2 by 5 or 7 by 6, like that. You cannot have a non-zero remainder. Okay, so if you have like a non-zero remainder, then you are making some mistake here. um, See, yes, non-zero remained as a possible, Joshna. Okay, but why do you want to take the difficult route when you want to, when you have an answer which is possible without using such difficult things? Okay, if you don't have a possibility, then you have to go for non-zero remainders. For example, this might give you like, uh, see, without using reminders, okay, or if you do 7 by 6, you are going to get something like 1.6, 1.16, okay, that is 7 by 6, right? Or let us say if you do 5 by 3, if you do 5, or if you do 8 by 5, 8 by 5, you are going to get 1.6 something, okay? So you are complicating things there, okay? So it is, one thing is, don't try to use the non-zero remainders, okay, because it is making things complicated, and it will want to make you to reuse the digits. For example, 7 by 8, if you want to make it an integer, what should you do? You have to do 7 by 8 into 8, right? Yes, if you have, let us suppose you have 7 by 8. If you have to make it into integer, you have to do into 8. So you don't need to worry about non-zero remainders. Non-zero remainders are required only if your answer is in fraction. Yes, your answer never is in fraction. Okay, it is always a integer. So you don't need to worry about non-integer. How do we do 7 by 6 and all like that? Okay, so that is, don't do it. You can use just integers and you can solve all the problems. Okay, right. Okay, so if you're getting 23, then it is right. Um, this 2 into 9, 18 plus, yeah, correct. 517, yeah, correct. Yeah, Joshna, we just don't want to get deep and waste time here, okay? Because we need lots of things. Maybe if you, what I'll do is, right. So I can see most of it. So sir, just to make sure. Yes, sir, it's true. Just to make sure. Okay. Um, finally, 56273. Yeah. Okay, Manik is come up with the answer. Okay. 6 divided with 3 into 7, 21. 21. Yeah, correct. Correct, Manik. Okay. So, nice. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna end with one final question. I have lots of questions more. Maybe I'll send it over in the Telegram group so that you can practice. But one question I want everybody to try now. Okay, with that we'll wrap the session. Um, so see how many questions I have. Right. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yes, this is the one. Okay. So I want you to try this. So I mean, if you get to this level, it means you've done well in those 6 to 8 minutes, guys. This is another level. Okay, this is another level. Sir, this much difficulty will they ask, sir? Yes, it is possible. I Tarun Kumar says, okay, good night. This is possible, guys. So that is why I wanted to finish off. This is the maximum that you can get, guys. I mean, in 6 to 8 minutes, how much can you do? Even if you're very good, you can get up to this level. And see, this is not difficult. Okay, just we cross check. We provided options in test, sir. What? We cross check provided options. See, one thing, guys, one important thing I wanted to tell you is, sir, okay, 1 minute, Kritika, 1 minute. Uh, See, so difficult. What is this? So we are going to add to Atlas, so how can answer be zero? See, yeah. No, there is possibility, guys. So without, I won't give you a wrong question. This is possible. Just think about it. See, previous batch students, they came up with the answer. Just that it took some 5 minutes for them, but they came up with the answer. Okay, it is not all difficult. So just think about it a little bit. Or if you feel it is difficult, you can take the screenshot and try it in your house. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss the answer. Okay, so that also we can do. Because already it's 7:30. You have to attend training at 8 o'clock. So in between, you have to eat something and all, right? So I don't want to disturb that. You want take a screenshot of this, just work it out. Then we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay, that also can happen. A few of you have asked me about this, so I'll just explain to them how. I think a few of you have done it correctly. Multiplication. First is division. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. See, this is right. If you see people, you see if you try Abhishek, is given me the correct answer. So nice job, guys. Nice job, Abhishek. Because what 24 8 plus 9? Yes, Abhishek, your answer is right. And 3 into 1 2 6 and 6 what 4 3 into 2. Yeah, bye bye. Okay. If you want to leave, guys. Abhishek, well done. And one more person, they gave answer. So we are adding. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Kritika says two. No, Kritika, it is wrong because you're getting 8 by 4 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 16, right? But on the other side, what you're getting is 9 plus 5, 14. So this is wrong, Kritika. You'll have to make some changes here because 8 by 4 is 2, 2 into 2 will give you 6. 2 into 4. Oh, okay, 1 minute. 8 by 4 is 2, 4. Yeah, it is wrong, Kritika. So we cross check provide. There won't be any options, guys. Okay, that I forgot to tell you. Okay, there won't be any options given. Okay, here you have to choose the numbers. Choose the numbers. That's it. No options given. You have to choose the numbers and then submit. That's it. By submitting, you might know that if it is correct or wrong. Okay, because you'll have a green mark or a red mark in that button that you will use for submission. Okay, but there are no options for this. Okay, so yeah, okay. You can try this case. You have enough time. I think Yashwant has got it right. Yashwant Kumar, he has done it right. Uh, no. Yashwant, you might want to check your answer. I think it is wrong. 13, 22. It comes to 22. Yashwant, just check it. You're very close. Uh, Madhuri is also wrong. 18. Madhuri is wrong, Madhuri, because you're getting it wrong. Right, guys. Okay. So just check it out. Maybe tomorrow we'll get. Sir, I got the answer. Who is that? 3 into. No, 573. 6 by 3 is 2. Okay, 10. You have minus 10. What is this? You have to get 0. 573. 573. You are getting 10. Minus negative 10. But how? What is the positive? You have positive 24, right? 24 minus 10 is 14. How come it is wrong? Guys, attendance link and all, I cannot bring it now. Even if I give it to you, it is closed. Nobody, the people are behind, they close it. So make sure that tomorrow you are on time and do it at the beginning. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll see. Uh, just try it tomorrow. We'll give it, or I'll give you one answer that I have. Okay. So should I give you the answer or you want to try it? I see already many people giving it. Uh, Right. So maybe if I tell you the operators, guys, see, first, what is the thing that you should do? You should do first thing is division. Second thing is multiplication. Two multiplication symbols are there, right? So you can do anyway. Okay, that doesn't matter. First is division, then multiplication, then what do you have? Then it is plus in the left hand side. You see a plus on the left hand side? That is the one. Okay, then it is the minus, and then finally it is the plus on the rightmost end. This is the order. Okay, so just if you follow this order, you will surely get it. Okay, already 2 3 guys have already given the correct answer, so it is possible. If you just try, it is possible. Okay, so don't think that it is impossible, because the number of possibilities are just 9. Okay, because it is 9, you surely will get the answer someday, somehow. Okay, so the possibilities are just 9, right? So just keep those 9 digits in mind and start doing it. And you have to understand this well, that you have to divide here. First thing is division, then multiplication, two multiplication signs, then the plus sign at the left end, then the minus sign, then the plus sign at the right end. Okay, so this is the order. So tomorrow we'll check the correct answer, guys. Right, right. So, so I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, guys. Yes. Bye.